The first thing I do every morning after the usual is put on some music. In fact, music is such a huge part of my life that I do not see myself going through a day without listening to music. Paired with good earphones, music is, I would say, I feed my soul. I literally do not go anywhere without ear or headphones. Enter the Oraimo FreePods 3, the 2 edition. Like the previous model, the FreePods 2, it has a 2 signature in a very neat black, green and gold accent packaging. This is not an unboxing, so I would go ahead and share with you guys what my experience with the FreePods 3 has been, but quickly before that, here is what you get in the box. The FreePods themselves, a charging cable, short one, Qtips of different sizes which I wish has a shark tail, but if wishes were horses, you know what will happen. Now for the main event. In terms of design, the FreePods 3 is an impressive upgrade. It is shorter, lighter and it is matte black, mostly. It has a little bit of glossiness on the touch area which I feel is a good blend of both worlds. This is what I like to call low-key premium. Kudos to whoever designed this. I gave it to a few friends to test out and they all gave it a yes on good fitting. The FreePods 3 is comfortable to wear and I do not think it will hurt anyone except to have very small ears, which I do, and it fits perfectly with almost no pain. Now the bass or bass, whichever one you call it, and sound coming out of this do not feel like a 30,000 naira sound. No hype, but I am stoked to see what Oraimo makes next. The FreePods 3 is something you should check out for yourself to understand how good this is for the price point. If you already have this but do not feel the sound quality like I do, I suggest you use it with the Qtips. They might feel uncomfortable at first, a little pain after long use, but after a while, I got used to it. Also, something I noticed is that the Qtips helps a little bit with the ENC, which stands for Environmental Noise Cancellation, and also helps with the overall sound quality. Less noise, more bass. You are likely not to hear the sounds that are not so close to you, especially when you have the Qtips on. Then I noticed at the back of the package, Oraimo indicated that you have 2 modes. The awareness mode lets you hear what is going on around you, then the bass mode lets you escape the noise in your environment. At first, I feel it is something you have to switch on and off on your phone. Turns out all you need to do to switch in or out of any of this mode is to simply take off the Qtips or put them back on. I tested these at the mall where there was less noise compared to outside. The ENC on the FreePods 3 performed well. I did not hear the music playing inside the mall and I almost did not hear the ambient sound around me. All of this experience is me connecting it to my iPhone 7 and I did not notice any difference even after I connected to an Infinix device, but I did notice a slight clearer sound when I connected to my Note 10 Plus. If you have tried the FreePods 3 on an Infinix or Tecno device and you feel it is different connecting it compared to connecting it with other phones, kindly share your experience in the comment section below, and also if you're enjoying this video, kindly hit the like button. It goes a long way. So connectivity was simple and swift. You turn on your Bluetooth, open the case and you get a LED indicator on the ports letting you know that they are ready to pair. Yeah, that's it and you are good to go. If you had already paired this with your phone, all you need to do is take the FreePods out of the casing and it will connect automatically, well, provided your Bluetooth is on. So, I think we should talk about the case. This is an inverse of the FreePods 2, but with a very good ratio of the matte to glossy finish. The FreePods 2 gathered a lot of scratches in the first few days, but this is definitely going to hold off better. So let's talk battery. The FreePods 3 is packing a 45 mAh battery while the case packs 500 mAh and it is charged via Type-C. Also, there are 3 LED indicators to show you how many percent of battery you have left on the case. I successfully used this for 6 hours straight before I needed to charge them in the case, and under 10 minutes I had enough power to last me for an hour on continuous playback. So for touch controls on the box, it says to tap once to play or pause and twice to pick or end a call. But here's what I noticed while using this. A single tap to play or pause does not always work, so I tapped twice to play and pause, pick a call and also end the call. Then to next a song, you press and hold the right ear for a second and you do the same on the left ear to play the previous song. And if you have intention of using this at the gym, there will be no problem. We have IPX5 dust and water resistant on board. As a creative and tech lover, summarizing my experience with the FreePods 3, honestly, this is the best low-budget earphone I have ever used, and it comes close to the likes of the AirPods 1 and the Samsung Buds, that's the first generation. And no, I am not paid to say any of this. Well, I wish they did, but they did not, though X Club provided this unit for review, so thank you X Club. For such sound quality, the bass or the bass, and design at such price points, I like how it isolates me from the crowd when I'm trying to think or script a video, and especially when the noise or music playing at the gym does not interfere with my music. That is gold for me. So there you have it guys, the FreePods 3, the 2BB edition. So the only difference between the 2BB edition and other variants is that you get 2BB's voice telling you connect and the rest of it. I don't think that is so much of a big deal. Whichever version you pick or variant you pick, you are in for a ride. So yeah, that's it. If this video was informative, or you liked it, or you loved it, or you did not like it, click the like button anyways. It goes a long way to help the channel. This is Tech Mayo. I will see you in the next one.